Hi, my name is Kirstin Leifels. I'm Account Director and Head of Division Conference Accommodation at K.I.T Group. After most events were held in a virtual format in 2020 and early 2021, we are now thrilled to be back with hotel management for our upcoming hybrid events. Holding a hybrid event at a hotel instead of a congress center might be an option you should consider. Hotels are well prepared to host hybrid events and can offer cost-efficient solutions that might even allow you to include multiple hotel locations in different countries into one contract. When booking guest rooms and event space at a hotel, one of the most important points to consider are the contract conditions. You should put your focus on the deposit and cancellation conditions as well as the legal terms. Of course, this is not only important for hybrid events, but for any contractual agreement you might be signing with a hotel.